Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You have the essentials: charged case and a device with Bluetooth on. First, keep both AirPods in the case and open the lid next to your phone or laptop so the pairing animation or light appears. On an iPhone, go to Settings then Bluetooth. On other devices, enable Discoverable Mode in Bluetooth settings. Press and hold the case button if needed. This forces the white flashing light and starts the handshake. Once done, watch for the device name to appear and tap to connect. Now that your AirPods are paired, customize how they behave. On iPhone, tap the info icon next to the device in Bluetooth to set double tap functions or to switch each earbud's microphone. This ensures calls use the best mic. Make sure audio balance is centered in accessibility so both sides are audible. If you notice odd behavior, keep the AirPods near your connected iPhone while charging. Firmware updates install automatically and can fix glitches. Make small adjustments and test with music or a call. Finish by closing the case to disconnect or simply place an AirPod in your ear to auto-reconnect. Store them in the case to preserve battery life and avoid loss. If connection drops or pairing fails, reset. Put AirPods in case, open lid, hold the rear button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white, then repair. If sound is muffled, clean speaker meshes and charging contacts. If problems persist despite resets and updates, seek service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.